Alright, so this is Monstera which I have here. So I don't know if you can see that yet. So that's Monstera, and I've kind of split the roots into two because the roots were growing and it was stuck underneath the pot, so I had to split it, and I'm trying to plant it in a bigger pot. So this is really big. It's a 27 centimeter pot. Before I had it on like a 19 centimeter pot, which I had it before, but right now I'm doing it on a bigger pot. Okay, so I'm in the middle of fixing my balcony, so that's really become dirty. I haven't done anything here, so I'm just trying to fix my balcony right now. And yeah, I love gardening. I just it's a nice time pass for me, and it's something which is very relaxing and something which calms your mind, and it's really nice. It's something I think I've got from my father's side. He loves gardening, and I think that's what that's something which I got from him. So yeah, so let's just plant this one. So basically I have some soil which is good for green plants. So this one is apt for green plants like Monstera and all that. So I'm trying to fill this up with this particular Monstera plant, this particular pot with this soil. So I need to fill this up and really push this roots inside, so that it's placed underneath properly, and I make sure this has to go down and then it's filled up with the soil. So I'll just fill it up and I'll come back and I'll show you how it's looking. Okay. Alright, so I just finished filling the pot with the soil, and I'll show you how it looks. So yeah, I filled the pot and it's now secure. Till this part I had filled the soil, so it's now firm and it's got really good place to really good place to grow the roots and for the plant itself. So that's going to be very happy with inside this pot. So actually, when it was this plant, this Monstera, when it was in a very small pot, what happened was the roots were underneath. Roots were like literally like coming out of these holes, and it was all holding really tight, and I couldn't do anything about it. So I had to cut the roots and had to repot it. I kind of made it into one small bunch and one big bunch. So this one's turning yellow. Mostly I'll have to cut it off, and I think it'll be good enough without this leaf. It's almost gone. So because it didn't really have space to grow and space to really grow, or even space to have its roots grow, basically this was kind of rotting. It was not healthy. It was turning yellow, losing all its leaves, and all of that. So now I've even poured some fertilizer into the water. So I can pour that, but I don't really need for this soil because it's really new, and this soil basically it's meant for these kind of green plants, and It doesn't really require the fertilizer, but I'll just have to water them properly. This soil is new, I don't need to really put that water which has fertilizer in that. Maybe the one with that's what I just kind of made. I added that fertilizer, water with fertilizer, so I kind of added that. But this one doesn't need, because it's completely new soil. It just needs, now that it's repotted, it just needs to be watered, that's all. So yeah, I'm really happy that I finally repotted this plant. I still have a lot of work left, so all of this has to be, the balcony itself has to be cleaned, it has to all of them have to go into pots. A lot of work to do. I hope I'll finish and I'll show you soon. Yeah, all right. I'll catch you in some time.